Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is: a regular polygon has a sum of the interior angle of 540 degree. What is the regular polygon? We know that sum of the interior angles of regular polygon is given by sum of the interior angles of regular polygon is given by n minus 2 into 180. Here we have given the sum is given the sum of the interior angles of regular polygon is 540 degree. So, comparing this, that is n minus 2 into 180 degree to 540, we can find the value of n, which will be the sides of that regular polygon. So, from that we can find which regular polygon is this. So, here from this given we can equate this n minus 2 into 180 degree is 540 degree. So, divide both the sides by 180 degree, we get n minus 2 equals to 540, that divided by 180 means 3. Add 2 to both the sides, we get n equals to 3 plus 2 means 5. Here, required polygon is 5-sided. Required polygon is 5-sided. So, it is regular pentagon. It is regular pentagon. Hence, required polygon is pentagon. Required polygon is pentagon. From available options, we have option B as pentagon.